my thoughts on the insurance versus, the legacy versus insurance debate.
Yeah.
Our legacy carrier is going to be replaced. Now, I'm going to kind of put this in a U.S. basis.
Yeah.
Because the U.S. and Europe, to a great extent, there are these very large carriers that have existed for decades. And the inertia of those companies being in the business is very difficult to change in many aspects. If State Farm has $60 billion a year in written premiums, and Lemonade has 40 million,
right?
It doesn't matter how wonderful Lemonade is, because the scale is so huge. You've got State Farm with tens and tens of millions of customers. And customers touch their insurance infrequently. They also don't want to change.
Absolutely.
They just, it's inertia. So, is there some substantial force? Well, the law of inertia. It's going to tend to stay put until there's some force that causes to not.
Right.
Is there some force great enough to move the industry as a whole? Again, talking first world carriers, I'm not sure there is yet. I think it's a generational change. In new markets, take South Asia, take Southeast Asia, take Africa, take South America, China. You're starting somewhat with virgin territory.
Right.
So a company like Zhong'an, they're not legacy versus Insurtech.
Right.
They came in with the ecosystem, and they could start from ground zero and all of a sudden have 300 million customers. There is no resistance. There's no culture of these carriers to push back.
Right.
So that's now. What should insurance companies do? Again, speaking the first world carriers, if they're smart, they have to look at what does our staff know. What will our customers expect in a generation?
Right.
And what do we need to do on the long view to make sure we're not left behind? Because next week, someone might come up with that incredible change that's the force to move the inertia of the big carriers.
Absolutely.
So if they're smart, they will collaborate. They will internally innovate. They will also understand that the silos that managed their companies before have to be broken down.
Absolutely.
That's tough.
Right.
That's a tough one. As you well know, I mean, you see some of it within the India regulators. They do things the way they do it. And now change is coming in, and there's some tension. Tension of the new versus tension of the guys or the ladies sitting in the offices. So there's got to be collaboration. I don't think you can carve your own path. It's just too big of a business, and insurance isn't complicated, but it's a lot. It's not like rocket science.
Right.
It's you have to be efficient. You have to keep your customers happy, but there's no there's no magic wand that you can come in with. So there's my answer. Hopefully that touches on it pretty well.
Okay.